Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily delete friends in Snapchat app. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and let us get started with you. So, we open the Snapchat app. Then the top left corner we select our account, click on our image. Then we scroll down to the Friends subsection. Here we select My Friends and click. Here we'll have a list of people that we're friends with on Snapchat. So, we're looking for the person that you would like to remove from your friends after you find that person. You just tap on it and hold your finger down. Like this. You'll then get a menu like this. Next, you'll need to click Manage Friendship. Then we'll click Delete Friend. Then we will be asked to confirm this action. We delete. And as we can see, this person has been removed from the list of our friends. This is how you can delete friends in the Snapchat app in such an elementary way. I hope this video was useful for you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, put your likes and write comments. See you soon.